Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Gigi, and today, that's right, we are celebrating the Lunar New Year, the Chinese Lunar New Year. That day is tomorrow, actually, but we're going to do a set for that today to get ready. We're going to use this Modelones cream gel because your girl's still out of white. Gotta rectify that situation this week. We're also going to use the cream gel for the red, and the reason that we're going to do that is we're going to use some of the red on these white nails as well, and I want the reds to match. So if I use a red from a different line or a different bottle or whatever, there may be a difference in tone between the red of the nails and the red of the art. I don't want that. I want them to match. So even though the red, and you're going to see that right here, it's a little sheer, it's almost jelly-ish. I'm going to do 3 coats. We're going to make it as opaque as we can and just continue on with our art because that is the look I'm going for, that red color. We could have done something else, but that's not what I did. And if you do something else, make sure you let me know because I want to come and see it. All right? All right. Now, even though these are specifically, I'm doing them specifically for Chinese Lunar New Year, which is, by the way, this year, Year of the Tiger. So if you like tigers, you could wear this set. If you like mandalas, you could wear this set. If you like blooming trees, which we're about to do right here, blooming, then you would like this set. If you like red, you would like this set. If you like flowers, you would like this set. If you like mandalas, this is the set for you. So if you're not specifically into the Chinese Lunar New Year, so what? There's all kinds of stuff about this set that could be for you. We are just gonna go ahead and make some tree branches. Sorry, I almost said stems. I'm like, that is not the right word. And I'm trying to Bob Ross this, guys. I'm trying not to wipe anything away or start over. I'm trying to just have happy little accidents, right? So I'm just trying to Bob Ross these out. There was a couple of times where I was like, I don't like this. I'm just gonna start over. I didn't do it. I resisted that urge and I kept going and I end up, guys, I'm trying to talk too fast. I'm sorry. I ended up really liking where I went with the look. There we go. Let me slow down my words. And I'm glad I didn't wipe anything away. I'm glad I took Bob Ross's advice and didn't stop anything. But tell me right here, don't you think that would be so awesome for Halloween? We're going to have to do some crazy trees for Halloween. I know we're not even near Halloween yet. I'm already ready for Halloween. I love Halloween so much. I want to wear red and orange right now. I want to wear black and orange. I want to wear a Halloween mask and scare little kids. Okay, maybe not scare little kids. I don't really like that so much. I think that's a little unnecessary. So really, we're using that same red right now, and we're just making little blossoms. Little blossoms. I looked at a ton of different posters for this year's festivities to get inspiration. Everything was very red and very gold, but where there was white, there were trees. And so I was very inspired by that. That's why I went with the red and the white. That's why we went with the trees. I really love that look. This would also really work for, like, there's a cherry blossom festival too at some point. I forget exactly when that is, but we could look that up. And you could do this really easily with some pinks and some whites instead of the reds. So if you would like to see something like that for that festival, let me know. Now you do definitely want to fully cure those because they can end up being a little on the thicker side and you don't want any wrinkling or bubbling. And I'm just coming in and adding one tiny little dot of white in between all of the blooms. And honestly, the blooms are just 3 dots. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 in a little triangle sort of shape. And that gives you the little blossoms that you're looking for. There was another little pause there. I think I was probably watching Ozark. That show is crazy, you guys. Breaking Bad level crazy, for sure. So what I'm doing there is I'm taking some chrome powder and I'm just very lightly tapping it on there. You do not want to go crazy with that or it will overpower everything. Now I'm stamping directly on that, and that gives us a very nice little tiger stripe design that is also a gold chrome. And any extra, you can just wipe that away with a little brush or a sponge or some paper towel. I had sponge handy, so I was using some sponges. Now I'm just doing some mandalas because there were tons of mandalas in all of the artworks that I saw for this year. If you do have any stubborn chrome, just wipe it away with some alcohol. Be careful you don't touch the design you're trying to keep though, okay? Top coat does a lot for chrome. Look at that, you guys. You are going to be able to see that a lot better in just a second when I hold it up for you. Right now the light is shining on the chrome and it's sort of muddying the look, so you're not really getting the full effect. But I still wanted to show you guys how pretty the chrome shines when you put the top coat on there. If you don't like lumpy bumpy, you're going to want to double top coat those tree nails, or maybe even put a little bit of builder in a bottle on top, because that's going to give you the smoother nail that you like. But if you don't mind the lumpy bumpies, you don't really need to go through all that trouble. But again, guys, I've said it before, don't rub your nails. It's not good. I mean, sometimes you can't help it, right? But if you're sitting there all the time rubbing, it's not good. So here I am holding it up for you so you can see that gold shine really does in the light. It kind of muddies the design, but when you look at it close like that, you can really see how pretty it came out. And look at how good the tiger stripe came out. I love that. Guys, I do have most of the month mapped out, but there's a couple days left. Let me know if there's anything you'd like to see. We're going to see you on Wednesday. Mwah! Bye-bye.